Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam, my dear. Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam, beti. How are you all?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam, beti. Beti, when you join quickly open the video of yours.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam, beti. Abia, Abdullah, Amna, Aryan, please. I want all the students to open the video. Please. Reja. Okay, Fatma, Mohsin, beti, do the recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إن شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Allahu Azim, Subhanallah, beti. Okay. In the last topic, we have converted few sentences into statement. The exclamatory one we have converted into statement. As I told you, we will practice more how to change the sentences. I told you all now this. Remember or forgot?
Remember.
Okay. So again, today we are doing the work in the workbook, page number 7. Open it, everyone. That are vocabulary which you have to find from the dictionary. Exercise B, page number 7. Those who are having the book, they will be doing
Yes.
the workbook. And those who are not having the workbook, for them I'm sharing it.
Miss,
Wait.
workbook में miss.
G, workbook, page number 7, bete. Okay, look at this. It's unit 1, lesson 1. After poem of Mother to Son, we are having Nico Bobness. Workbook, page number 7, we are doing. Fine, I'm writing over here. Workbook, page number 7. Fine. Here you have to write the word in alphabetical order, and then you have to write the parts of speech and vocabulary meaning. Fine. So I'm making the row and column. First, I'll be arranging these words. Then I'll be mentioning the meaning of these words. These are 6 words.
Miss, the first word will be
Wait. Yes, bete. Wait. Exercise. Ji bete. Exercise B. Okay, everyone look at that. Who are not having the workbook, they will not do.
Teacher,
Ji. Puche bete.
teacher, I have already done this exercise.
Very good, bete.
Thank you, miss.
So look at these, everyone, how you will be doing. If you have the workbook, so in workbook you have to make these column. If you don't have workbook, so you can do in the rough copy of yours. As I am doing. Is this clear? Workbook page 7, exercise B. Put the following words into alphabetical order and write the definition for each. So that we are doing today. Okay, look at that in alphabetical order. The first word is bold. It's bold person, it's adjective. The word class of this word is adjective. Fine. For example, you are a bold boy, you're a bold guy, bold girl. So this is an adjective. Fine. And what is the meaning? Very confident person.
मिस आप ये तो कह रहे हैं कि डिक्शनरी वर्क है अंडर ग्रोथ का एक आप सेंटेंस
You have to, I'll be giving the, you should keep the dictionary with you. You have to find synonym of each word. Meaning and parts of speech I'll be sharing with you to make you understand what is this. Then you have to find the similar word for each vocabulary. This will be your task to find from dictionary. वो आप ढूंढेंगे dictionary से. Is this clear?
Yes.
Parts of speech and meaning मैं आपको समझा दूंगी बेटे. I'll be telling it to you. What will you do? You have to find the similar word, synonym. Let me make one more column that you will be doing it. ताकि आप confused now. This last column work you will do by yourself. That I will not do. For that you have to use dictionary. So look at this. The second word in alphabetical order is comrade. Comrade is a noun and it's mean a friend or companion. The companion, friend जिसे कहते हैं हम, दोस्त आपका. This is the second word. Let me first split it, all the cell. In the last column, you will find synonym from dictionary for each word. Okay, this will be your task to do. This is, I'm not writing it because you will find from dictionary. I make you understand how to make row and column and things. Okay, comrade. See, this one is comrade. Look at this. So it's a noun. I can share the book page, but right now, my software is not permitting me the access. I'm not getting to share the picture of that page. So there is some problem in internet or technical issue with my PC. So that's why I'm writing for you all to make things easy for you. Okay. I hope it is easy and convenient and you are understanding it. One, you have to find by yourself. Like comrade also mean associate or friend or fellow. Okay, I'm writing companion. There are so many words of this. Okay, bold synonym. What it could be, a very confident person, meaning I have written. You can write more. Completely. Synonym you will write by yourself. I'm only making you understand. मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ all these words and writing in alphabetical order. Am I clear? Completely. It's an adverb. Adverb. When you completely finish or completely have done, for example, I have completely finished my work. It means I have done all necessary parts. and containing all the things. Clear? So meaning I'm telling, okay, wait, baby, let me open the door. Someone is knocking the door. Is this clear to all of you? You all can unmute yourself. All the meaning are clear to all of you, baby? I'm just coming within a second.
Yes.
Okay, students. Sorry for this really excuse. Someone was knocking my door now. Okay. Completely. We were on completely. It's an adverb. When you completely finish something, it means you have mentioned all the necessary detail and all the important things. Fine. So I'm writing included all information to make things complete. All. What you will find synonym means similar word only, one word. Okay. Okay, B, C. After that, we are having R. R is remind. Remind is a verb to remind someone mean yaad dilana. To make someone remember. It's an verb to make someone remember something. Remember something. Okay. Or
मिस हमें डिक्शनरी से नहीं मिल रहा.
Bete, you have advanced learner with you. What you are not getting? The word bold. Bete, do you know how to find the word from dictionary? Mubashir. Go in alphabetical order. Go to letter B, B-O, and then find it. Now we are having the word summer. Summer is a noun. It's a weather. मौसम जिसे कहते हैं. Or after that, we are having undergrowth. Growing something under the land below. जमीन में कुछ उगाना और उगना. Undergrowth. Okay, हम इसको split कर लेते हैं. Cell we don't have now. Okay, that I'm also teaching you the cells function. How to do out things. Do you make cells in the manner in computer? When you need, you can also get that. Okay, the last word is undergrowth. जमीन में जो उगाते हैं सब्जियां वगैरह जो भी under the. Okay. I hope you all understood all the vocabulary. अब इसकी आप लोग फाइंड करेंगे. डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है. जमीन में जो चीज आप उगाने से आप आलू उगते हैं ना, अब उसकी कमी बेशी हो गई, कुछ हो गई, तो हम उसको बोलते हैं अंडर ग्रोथ. ये हम लिख देते हैं. डन. ओके, सिंगल मिस्टेक इन टाइपिंग. इसको थोड़ा सा स्मॉल साइज कर लेते हैं ना, सो दैट इट कैन कम इन वन पेज. ओके, नाउ आई हैव डन ऑल. ओके, यू डोंट हैव डिक्शनरी मुबशिर? यू हैव डिक्शनरी? फाउंड इट?
नो मिस, हमें ना अंडर ग्रोथ का मिल रहा है ना बोर्ड का. अब मैं समर का ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
आप लिख दें डेफिशिएंसी लिख दें. आई एम टेलिंग इट टू यू. Deficiency of growth of something. Summer is a season.
मिस
Remember,
नो
जी बेटे,
मिस
look at
आपकी
that.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Now am I audible to all of you?
इस आप अंदर की रोड क्या दिखा
Okay, look at number 1, bold. Am I audible to all of you? First, do let me know.
यस मिस अब आ रही है.
Now listen this synonym of each. Listen now. Bold. The meaning is very confident. खुद एतमाद बहुत ज़्यादा. The person who is having a lot of confidence. तो आप लिख दीजिए bold, a very blunt person. आप उसको नॉन नेगेटिव में नहीं लीजिएगा. ब्लंट मतलब नेगेटिव में होता है बदतमीज, लेकिन ब्लंट मतलब कॉन्फिडेंट भी होता है, बोल्ड भी होता है. इन पॉजिटिव मैनर इफ वी थिंक अबाउट इट. बोल्ड
इसमें
आर
तो
वेरी ब्लंट पर्सन. BLUNT, blunt.
Teacher, what a very blunt person.
ये ओनली ब्लंट, बोल्ड ब्लंट.
Okay.
आप नेगेटिव में
इधर
ब्लंट जो मुंह फट भी होते हैं उनको भी कहते हैं. जो मुंह फट लोग नहीं होते, वो तपाक से कुछ कह दिया, फौरन सुना और फौरन जवाब दे देते हैं. जो लिहाज नहीं करते उनको भी बोलते हैं, वो नेगेटिव वे में हो जाएगा, थोड़े बदतमीज जो होते हैं. एक ब्लंट हम कहते हैं जो फौरन शेयर कर लेते हैं इन पॉजिटिव मैनर. ठीक है.
Teacher, comrade.
कमरे,
Yes,
कंपेनियन,
नहीं.
फ्रेंड, दोस्त.
Friend,
जैसे आप
friend. Teacher, friend.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड बेटे. जी
मिस इधर तो हम एक्सरसाइज भी कर रहे हैं, इधर तो मिस ब्लंट नहीं है.
अरे मेरा बच्चा, बोल्ड की सिनोनिम है, मीनिंग है जो आपको फाइंड करनी है डिक्शनरी से. मुबश्शिर, यू हैव सिली क्वेश्चन माय डियर. यूज द माइंड ऑफ योर्स बेटे. क्या हो गया मेरा बच्चा? जो वर्ड आपको डिक्शनरी से ढूंढने हैं वो थोड़ी यहाँ मौजूद होंगे मेरे बेटे. वो तो आपको ढूंढने हैं ना मेरा बच्चा.
अच्छा मिस ब्लंट का
जी बेटे, ये आपको फाइंड जो सिनोनिम है ना, मीनिंग्स, तो मैंने आपको समझा दी थी. आप ये आपको फाइंड करने थे. दिस फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर डूइंग, सो आई एम टेलिंग इट टू यू. ये मैं आपको इसीलिए समझा रही हूँ कि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही हाउ टू फाइंड थिंग्स फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी. That's why teacher is telling it to you.
टीचर आप शुरू से दिखा दें.
Yes, from start I'm showing it to you. Look at that. Workbook page 7, exercise B we are doing. Those who are not having the book, they can do in the rough copy, but don't do anything in the copy right now. From Monday I'll be giving it.
Teacher, please.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, teacher.
Now only just because of Mubashir, I have written the synonym. Next time, the synonym you will be doing by yourself because you are in 6th standard now, my dear.
From start you show me again.
Vocabulary from dictionary.
From starting, can you show me?
What bete? Only 2 are left. Let me write the 2 only.
मिस मुझे बोर्ड का मिल गया. लिखा कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ब्रेव.
This is the meaning. Similar word you have to find. बेटे आपको एक synonym मतलब होता है कोई एक word जो उस जैसा हो. Meaning, the whole phrase is a meaning. जब हम phrase पूरी बताते हैं ना, वो meaning होती है, मायने होते हैं. ठीक है? समझ रहे? I did not ask for the definition of meaning. I asked find synonym means similar word. आपको उस जैसा वर्ड सेम है जो उसी की तरह मीनिंग रखता हो ढूंढना है। अब समझे बेटे आप मुबश्शिर?
मिस
Teacher,
For the underground, it can be
अंडर बेटे लो ग्रोथ जो नहीं जाती, ये सेल
Teacher?
पूरा यहाँ पर आया नहीं ना। जी जी
Miss,
जी बेटे मेरे।
undernet सेकंड वाला जो है ना, मिस सेकंड वाला जिसमें हमारी मीनिंग कंपेनियंस थी, मैंने उसका सिनोनियम पार्टनर लिखा है।
पार्टनर, फेलो, वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट बेटे। You're the champion and that's why I asked. Find by yourself and do it. Great bete, it's really great.
अभी भी समझ ही नहीं आ रहा।
क्या नहीं आया मेरा बच्चा समझ में? I wrote everything for you. What did not get it? मुबश्शिर आपको क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे बेटे?
मिस इधर वर्कबुक में लिखा हुआ है डिक्शनरी वर्क कह रहे हैं कि अंडर ग्रोथ का लिखें कि अंडर ग्रोथ का क्या मीनिंग है, ये लिखें।
तो हम क्या लिख रहे हैं मेरे बेटे? What are we writing मेरा बच्चा? हम मीनिंग नहीं लिख रहे तो क्या लिख रहे हैं मेरे बेटे?
इसकी मीनिंग लिखनी है, जैसे अब अंडर ग्रोथ की मीनिंग लिखनी है।
जी मेरा बेटा, डेफिनेशन मीन क्या होता है, उसके मायने ना आपको समझाना है। पहले अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मीन कि आपको जो एबीसी वाइज अरेंज करना है उसको इन ऑर्डर, तमाम वर्ड्स को, जो हमने कर लिया। फर्स्ट वर्ड एबीसीडी में बी आता है, फिर सी आता है, फिर आर, फिर एस, फिर यू, तो हमने इसको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है। आफ्टर दैट वी आर फाइंडिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच एंड मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन। आई थिंक दिस इज completely I have done it, but still you are not getting, I am unable to understand कि आपको क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरा बच्चा?
मिस
जी बेटे।
टीचर, हम अंडर ग्रोथ का वेजिटेशन या ग्राउंड कवर हो सकता है
बेटे
है ना?
लो ग्रोथ ऑफ वेजिटेशन, लो ग्रोथ, अंडर ग्रोथ है ना, डेफिशिएंसी ये कम है।
मिस अंडरनेट
वेजिटेशन लिख सकते हैं बेटे, वेरी गुड अरियान।
ग्राउंड कवर हो सकता है।
जी जी
मिस अंडरनेट हो सकता है अंडर ग्रोथ का।
जी बेटे, अगेन रिपीट अभिया।
अंडरनेट
व्हाट डिड यू से अभिया? रिपीट इट।
अंडरनेट
अंडरनीथ।
यस।
नो बेटे, अंडरनीथ तो हो गया बिलो, बिलो बहुत डीप में। हम अंडरनीथ गहराई की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ ग्रोथ की बात कर रहे हैं। Mubashir, I hope it's all clear to you. Everyone, everything is clear to all of you? You all can unmute yourself.
टीचर,
Vocabulary we did only 6 words today.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर,
जी बेटे।
मुझे कंप्लीट की मीनिंग समझ नहीं आई।
Completely, totally. जब पूरा काम नहीं कर लेती आप, have you completely finished your work? जब कोई काम मुकम्मल तौर पे कर लेते हैं हम।
प्लीज थोड़ा नीचे कर दे स्क्रीन।
All are here now. जी
टीचर, हम अंडर ग्रोथ का अंडर बुश भी कर सकते हैं ना?
yes, very good Aryan, you are going great.
टीचर, मैं वो लिख सकता हूँ?
Yes, definitely you can write. This I have written for those who are unable to find it. If you found it, you will write the meaning what you found it. Very good. You're writing by yourself, you're finding it. Excellent job. I want it from everyone do this. Don't copy the same one. Find by yourself and write it.
Miss, I have done.
Very good. जी बेटे, यहाँ पे clear, Rijal बेटे सब clear है बेटे, everything is clear. Oh,
Yes.
that's really good.
What is English club?
Alisha Batul,
Yes, miss.
you got it बेटे. मोहम्मद आनिस,
Yes.
क्यों सर पकड़ के बैठे हैं बेटे आप?
Miss.
Is it clear मेरा बच्चा?
Miss.
जी बेटे, only few things are left बेटे, class is about to over. जल्दी जल्दी पूछ लें।
Miss, what is English club?
बेटे जो लो ग्रोथ हो जाती है ना, shrubs और herbs की जो होते हैं, these all are the plant low growth of trees, plant जो होते हैं, a kind of plant or tree this is.
Yes.
You who's in class 1? बेटे log in with your own name. How could I mark the attendance class 1? Who is at the back?
Yes. What is the meaning of blunt?
A very confident, बहुत खुद एतमाद, पूरे एतमाद बंदा और बंदी. ठीक है बेटे, ये क्लास 1 कहाँ चलेगा फिर से? I have to mark attendance. कौन था ये क्लास 1? Did not speak as well. Oh my God, Usman.
मिस अभी वो पिक्चर दिखा दें, मिस वो पिक्चर दिखा दें जो ये
Wait, better, let me mark. I have to mark attendance now. And they did not open the video. Let me check their name of the student. Saqib. Daily I ask him. Now I will not admit Saqib. And all the students who are not opening the video. आप नहीं करेंगे, मैं आपको admit नहीं करूंगी. Because I have to mark attendance in this manner. I'll be marking absent of yours. Now look at that. Don't do in fair copy, do in rough. Abdullah Danish, you got it? Vania bete, did you understand?
Yes, miss.
All the vocabulary.
इसको मिस ये जो आपने बनाया है ये वर्ड्स पार्ट्स और स्पीच ये रफ कॉपी में करना है.
जी बेटे, आप वर्ड बुक में भी लिख सकते हैं. You have the वर्ड बुक ना, आप वर्ड बुक में कर लीजिए. सेम पेंसिल से कीजिएगा, वर्ड बुक में कॉलम बना लीजिए. इन वर्ड बुक the lines are already given. देखिए आप लाइंस दी हुई हैं, आपको सिर्फ लिखना है उनकी मीनिंग. Just make columns. ये वाली मार्जिन ड्रॉ कीजिए and write all the words in the word book. आपके पास तो है ना मोबाइल पर. Excellent job, Rafiq. Excellent job. Allah मुबश्शिर.
मिस आज का होमवर्क.
Bete, I'm not giving any homework. From Monday, I'll be giving the written homework to all of you. So this is which we have done. You have to find different synonym. ये जो vocabulary मैंने आपको आज करवाई है, you have to find another synonym. इसका एक और synonym आप खुद से ढूंढिएगा. Am I clear? Yes. One I have given you, one you will find. एक और आप ढूंढ लीजिएगा, ठीक है? I'm making things easy for you in the first week. Am I clear? From Monday, I'll be strict about the copy work and written work and all that. Inshallah. I'll be guiding you about syllabus and all that. जी बेटे, पूछें. I did not get the words of yours, बेटे. पूछें.
Miss, class time is finished. Can you show
Yes.
the screen?
Okay, I'm showing, बेटे. Let them only one. Please, बेटे, the class time ended. Quickly, better, quickly finish. Now I'm closing it. Have a great day, Have a great day, and
मिस टीचर मैंने सेकंड वाले का दूसरा सिनोनियम भी ढूंढ लिया.
very good, excellent job. You're going great, my dear. So, Allah Hafiz, everyone. I hope you will be finding it.
Allah Hafiz.
Bete, what did you ask? Please ask. Let the person ask. Bete, please let the child ask it now. जी बेटे, कौन क्या पूछ रहा था?
I want us to take screenshot.
Okay, take it now. Quickly take it. Quickly, Anaya, bete, the class time over.
I am done.
Okay, thank you, dear. The class time running out. Take good care of yourself, all of you. Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, my dear. Have a great day ahead.